Are you worried you're losing subscribers with every launch? What if you didn't have to lose all of them? You can give your subscribers the option to opt out of your launch emails while staying subscribed on your list. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to set up a custom opt-out link in MailerLite. I'm Anushka and I help coaches and course creators launch digital products without the tech overwhelm. Let's get into it. Before we set up a custom opt-out link, you need to have a page to link to. Just a simple confirmation page that lets them know that they have opted out of the launch emails and will still receive your regular emails is fine. The first thing we need to do in MailerLite is to create a group for subscribers who opted out of your launch emails. Go to Subscribers, Groups and click Create Group. I like to have one opt-out group for the current promo and then I will remove everyone before a new promo starts. This way, if someone opts out of your promo emails in September because that was not the right time for them, then when you promote the same product again 6 months later in March, they will still receive the new promo emails and can decide at that time if it's right for them or not. So I create one group called Opt-out Current Promo. Then we go to Automations and create a new automation. Select Start from Scratch. Give your automation a name. For the trigger, select when subscriber clicks a link, and for the link, put in the URL of your opt-out confirmation page. Check Allow subscribers to repeat the workflow and click Save. Then click the plus. Then for the action, select Copy to Groups. Select your opt-out group, click Save and Activate. Now when you go to set up your emails, you can simply add a link to your opt-out page. And when people click it, they will automatically get added to the opt-out group. Then when you schedule your email, make sure to exclude your opt-out group so that anyone that opted out doesn't receive the next emails. Click Save and send or schedule your email. Then before you start a new promo, make sure to remove everyone from the opt-out group. Go to Subscribers, Groups, and for your opt-out group, click View Group. Click this little arrow and select all, then click on Actions and Remove from Group. Select your opt-out group and click Remove. You want to do this because you always want to give as many people as possible the option to buy your products. It may not have been the right time for them when they click to opt out, but if you do another promo in 3 months or 6 months, it might just be the right time for them to purchase. Now you know how to let people opt out of launch emails without losing them, but segmenting your audience is just the start. If you want to know which emails are actually bringing in sales, you might be interested in my Track What Works toolkit. The toolkit gives you easy automated dashboards that show you exactly what's bringing in subscribers and sales, so you can spend your time where it counts. You can find the link in the description below if you want to check it out. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you've made it this far and are not yet subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it to be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.